The phone company Nokia and Gaelchultúr have come up with a novel way to spare the blushes of people who can't sing the words of Amhrán bhFiann. Now you can download a free application to your mobile and learn the national anthem karaoke style.
Just as it was 2 weeks ago, Amhrán bhFiann will be sung with pride at Sunday's All-Ireland Senior Football Final. But it's likely that many of the 80,000 people present won't know all the words. However, now you can download an Ovi Store application to your Nokia phone, which will teach you for free.
And if you look around in the stands, you find some people embarrassed and that they don't know the words. So this gives people an opportunity to learn the words in their own time and anywhere they want, because it's on their phone.
Once you log on to the application, you have 3 options. You can practice your pronunciation, learn the words and music of Amhrán bhFiann, or simply sing along. Nokia says so far there's been a good reaction.
Supporting the Irish language is a real key focus for Nokia, and you know, this application is just the start of it.
So there's no excuse for not singing up on Sunday. Mary Halpin, RTÉ News, Dublin City Centre.